I decided to make an unboxing video again because I have a new player in the house. So let's get straight to it and remove the packaging. So this is the actual box, and I don't know if it comes on camera, but you might notice that this is very familiar. It's HKS and it's called the Storm. It's 4-wheel drive, it's 1/12 scale, it says high speed, we will see later about that. Also some warnings, safety first, and yeah, let's remove it. Very tight box. So there we go. This is our car. You might know this car from WLtoys, but it's not from WLtoys, it's a copy. So we have this manual here with some little tools and the charger, I believe. Let's open it really quick. So we have this little screwdriver. Nice little tools. Whenever you can get your hands on this, keep them. Oh, this is plastic. I never seen a plastic before. Hard plastic, but it's supposed to screw. I don't know. Okay. And we have a charger, which is a USB charger. There we have it. 5 volts, 2.5 to 0.5 to 2.5 amperes. Output 7.4. Wow, really powerful. Nice. So you can charge your you can charge your car while being on the internet. Nice. And this is our manual. So it's 1/12 scale electric climbing car. And as always, in the first pages you have the safety reasons, some data from the car. Yes, it's nice. Wheelbase, the motor, nice details. Battery must be used before must be used up before you charge. Charging time is not more than 3 hours. You see, we get a lot of data here. So we are going first to play with it, and then we are going to charge it. So this means that our battery is fully charged or halfway charged. Anyway, first of all, it has to be empty and then we can charge it. And here are all the parts from the car with codes. So very useful manual. And how you can, for example, the tire here, how you can assemble or disassemble the tire, differentials, and if you lose or break a part, then you can go and buy a new one. And yeah, this is so old school like, I like it. Manuals like that have been useful back in the 90s when there was no internet. And here it is, all the parts. Wow. So you don't have to look in the manual in general, you go to the back, you're looking which part is missing and you're going to order it. Nice, really nice, all the parts. What do we have here? Oh, this is an instruction of how you should use it, and also the control. I like it. Okay, so we have these little ears here. Let me show you how this looks like. We need to remove first this box, not the car. So we take off those ears. Ah, this is the remote control. So we open up here and let's see what we got. Yeah, it takes 4 AA batteries. It's very light, really light. Oh, this is nice. It's a rim with a tire on it, and it's a good material. Nice. But everything else is very cheap plastic. So here is on off, 4 modes, your trims here. But I like it. It's really light and it's specific for this car. You have no antenna, which probably is here in this handling. You can also grab it here and for storage or whatever. Nice. So I hope now we can. It says A-Cross because when it came out from WLtoys, that was the name, and I believe 12428. So this is our car, and we need to cut 1, 2, 3 zip ties. There we are. Ooh, very bumpy. And what is happening here? Why is it? Maybe we need to remove the suspension and make an adjustment, because here it's stiff, here it's less. Well, it doesn't look like something is broken, but if you see, this tire is higher than this one, so we need to make an adjustment. It's not a problem. Okay, so far so good. Oh man, I thought this is nice stuff here. It's hard plastic, very slim, very light, but also very flexible, so it's not going to break. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LED lights, which is also nice. You get a driver, which makes it look more real. A spare wheel. Yes, it's nice. It's nice attached. Nice material to the wheels. Differential. And here on the back we get a battery. So we use the screwdriver like this to remove the battery. So what type of battery is that? Please turn off the power switch and plug. Yeah, where is the power switch? Ah, there we have the power switch. It says off, so we are okay. Nice aluminum plate, so that you get some protection and don't damage or break the plastic material, which is nice quality below. Well, everything is looking like it's a nice quality. Wow, very flexible. Well, under my opinion, this is looking bigger than a 1/12 scale, and it's looking like a great design. I don't know about, maybe they need a lot of adjustment in the, maybe the socks need a lot of adjustment, not even in the front but also in the back. Look at this. So my first thoughts, this is certainly worth it. Really nice hard material, and on the top very flexible. Maybe we need to make an adjustment on the socks. It's looking like it's more softer in front here than here for some reason. But I can't figure out so far now why. Anyway, okay, my first thoughts. I believe this is a great choice. It has great material on it, but it is also very, very cheap. So what I'm thinking is that things have been left out, like the differential grease, front and in the back. So before start driving it, we should make a maintenance and look if there is grease inside it. But also maybe we need to remove this shaft here and put also some grease inside here, because while this is moving it produces heat and it might break very easily. The socks need a new adjustment, and of course I'm going to remove them and disassemble them and see if there's are oil socks or if we can make them oil socks. And of course, if you have oil socks in these dimensions, it would be better you put the oil socks inside it. So I'm going to put the battery back. In the instruction it says you should use the battery first and then charge it. Do not charge it. It's a 7.4500 milliamp battery. So from this here you can easily understand that it's a LiPo. And yeah, this is looking bigger than 1/12 scale. It has big tires. So far so good, I like it. Let's see also if it's working. Put the battery back. The switch should be to off when you do this. Don't get overexcited and get your time to put this safety arm upon the battery. So yeah, we are going to need 4 AA batteries for the remote controller. So never turn on your car first. First you turn on your remote controller. Oh, we got a flashlight. Maybe it's looking for the car. So you just, it's not an on-off, you push in, it's on. Ooh, straight to it. You see the lights? This is wild. So all 4 wheels turning. and we need to do a small adjustment right from the start. It says throttle. Okay, here on the down it says throttle. The down trim is throttle and the one is your steering. It says ST trim and TH trim. So it's throttle and steering. Nice, nice. Wow, that was a quick adjustment. So I'm not going to drive yet this car around because as I told you, I believe it's cheap. It's very cheap. So I guess that there is no grease inside the differential or in the shaft in the back. I also want to see if there are bearings. Maybe I'll put some silicone oil in the bearings, or if there are some bushings, then I will replace it with the bearings. And yeah, we'll see about that in the next video.